acting faithful scribe, and the perpetual mascard to be received by Miss Flavia Asatri, the wife, to be given by Sir Knight Mamerto C. Agolto, the faithful comptroller, the chalice with a certificate to evidence the giving of the gift to be received by Ms. Flavia Asatri, the wife, and the certificate in memoriam to be given by Sir Knight Ronnie Isidro S. Llagas, past faithful navigator, and Sir Knight Ronnie Isidro Llagas, past faithful navigator. And the sword to be received by his eldest son, Noel A. Asatri, to be given by Sir Knight Edgardo B. Bongolto, past faithful navigator. The Philippine flag to be received by Grace, his daughter, to be given by Sir Knight Randolfo A. Velasco, faithful pilot. And the 10th part is the response of the family by Brother Noel A. Asatri, his son. The 11th part is the closing song entitled Sino Ako, to be sung by all member knights. And the closing prayer to be led by Sir Knight Isagani M. Salvador, the district master of the 4th degree. And the last part is the last respect of the numbers of the Knights of Columbus. And may I enjoin everybody to please observe silence and no applause.